guys, don't be pressured. This is how to make a simple egg mayo sandwich without a toaster or any gadget. Get your boiled eggs and separate the yolk from the outer white layer, and you are then going to chop the white layer into smaller pieces and mix the egg yolk with some mayonnaise, a sprinkle of salt, your pepper, because I like pepper. You're going to mash together till you get a creamy paste. You can even add sugar if you want, if you are sweet tooth like me, but it's completely optional. Mix together, pour the egg whites, combine together with the egg yolk mixture, and now we have our egg mayo mix. To the bread, we don't have a toaster, we'll be using our pan. Get your bread slices, butter the bread slices front and back. Get a pan, just drop it on the pan and allow it to get hot, get toasted and crispy. You don't really need a toaster to make a toast like this. Just get your pan, okay, and it's ready. We are then going to layer our our toast first with the bread, then the egg mayo, and then another layer of bread. I added mayonnaise in between because I wanted it to be very, very creamy. More egg mayo, and then cover with the last toasted bread slice. Now you can cut your toast into two like I am doing, just to make it look pretty, easier to eat and more like a sandwich, okay? So you can use toothpick to just secure the ends of the bread while you cut. And here you have it, your egg mayo toast bread without a toaster. Bye guys.